Unlock the miraculous skincare benefits of a total hidden gem. The humble banana peel combined with raw honey. For anyone struggling with dry, dull winter skin or stubborn acne, this natural combo is a total powerhouse. Banana peels are naturally loaded with vitamins A, B, and C, plus a massive dose of potassium, which acts like an instant drink of water for dehydrated skin. The real magic happens when adding honey, a natural humectant that literally pulls moisture out of the air and locks it straight into the skin barrier. Together, they create an antioxidant-rich, deeply hydrating treatment that gently calms active breakouts, fades redness, and leaves behind an unbelievable, radiant glow. Let's prep the peel and see exactly how to apply it. First up, you want to grab a banana that's nice and ripe. The ones with the little brown spots are perfect because they are packed with rich antioxidants. Cut a small section of the inner peel. Now we're pouring a generous drizzle of honey right onto the textured, fleshy side of the peel. I like to use a clean spoon to smooth it out evenly, so every inch is coated. So why this specific combo? Well, banana peels are naturally loaded with vitamins A, B, and C, plus potassium, which acts like a big drink of water for dry skin. But the real MVP here is the honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it literally draws moisture out of the air and locks it into your skin. Plus, if you deal with breakouts, honey has incredible natural antibacterial properties that help soothe active acne and calm down redness. Once your peel is prepped, you just gently rub it directly onto your skin in circular motions. You can see me applying it to my wrists, hands, and cuticles here. It feels incredibly soothing and cooling. The gentle texture of the banana peel acts as a super mild, non-abrasive physical exfoliant, lifting away dead skin cells while driving that hydrating honey deep into the skin barrier. After letting it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to let the skin absorb all that goodness, it's time to rinse it off with lukewarm water. Now a quick reality check from your skincare bestie. While this DIY mix is incredibly hydrating and will absolutely give you a temporary, gorgeous glow, it isn't a permanent cure-all for chronic acne or deep hyperpigmentation. Also, because it's a raw kitchen ingredient, always do a quick patch test on your inner arm first to make sure your skin doesn't get irritated. Just look at that afterglow. My skin feels incredibly soft, plump, and deeply moisturized. It's a fun, eco-friendly way to pamper yourself on a budget. Would you try this on your face? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and follow for more honest beauty hacks. Just look at that finish, perfectly soft, plump, and deeply moisturized with an undeniable natural glow. Drop a comment if you'd try this hack, and follow along for more honest beauty tips. Notice how the light catches the skin without any heavy oils or greasy residue. It creates the perfect, smooth canvas for the rest of a regular skincare routine or a flawless makeup application. Taking care of your skin doesn't always require expensive luxury products. Sometimes, the most effective glow secrets are hiding right inside the kitchen pantry.